believing in yourself, and that's something that we would understand today. How can you achieve your goals with small things? A very interesting story to begin with is understanding the concept of how a bee could actually make its life successful. So we have an interesting story out here. There are two bees, both of them identical, and one of them was able to win, the other was not. So let's understand what the story was all about. So there was a glass of milk, and both of these bees, when flying, accidentally fell into the glass of milk. Now one of the bee here was pessimistic, it was not optimistic. The other bee was optimistic. Now, when the first bee, that was the pessimistic bee, fell into the glass, it felt that something would happen, some magic would occur, and I will be out of this glass. And I would be either on the border, hold the glass, hold the boundaries of the glass, and would be able to come out. But nothing as such happened, and this bee drowned in. The other bee, that was positive, was optimistic, eventually kept flapping the wings. Now, when the wings were moving, the milk started to churn and it started to form the butter. Finally, what happened is the bee could find a surface to sit and fly, and therefore this bee, which was optimistic, was able to succeed. And therefore we say that you must believe in yourself and believe strong. Now what we understand here is another simple example. Let's say there is a cycle, and if you are believing in yourself, you would one day learn to ride the cycle. However, if you are not believing in yourself, what would happen? Your parents would come, your cousins, your siblings would come, everyone would keep training you, and you would keep practicing. So, the idea is you would be able to ride a cycle only and only once you are believing in yourself. A same story would be for the case of swimming. So, what would happen if you are going to swim? If you believe in yourself, you would learn to swim. If not, you would require a constant help, which could be either ways, and you would keep practicing the process and still not learn swimming. And therefore, believing in yourself is essential. The next important thing that we understand is that how do you actually learn? So when you are writing your examination, when you are preparing, it's the same thing. If you believe in yourself, if you believe strong, you would definitely succeed. Else you would keep solving the questions, keeping the answers open, and you would be practicing and practicing and still not able to attain your ultimate objective. So believe in yourself, believe is strong, and that's the only way to succeed. The story that we have covered explains it very well, how a pessimistic person versus an optimistic person can achieve their life goals. And if you are optimistic, if you are positive, you are confident about yourself that you would be able to do it, then definitely there is no reason that you won't be able to accomplish the task. So believe strong in yourself, keep working, keep practicing, and success is not far off.